Welcome to your Wednesday Real Life Stock Review. Wednesday, of course, spelled with an I. Another profitable day here at RLT, mostly thanks to Tesla and the day trade that we took on it. What we're going to do is look at the broader markets really quick and then some individual stocks. First and foremost, the compression continues. I like this compression because it allows RSI and some other indicators just to rest. It allows the moving averages to kind of catch up without getting a massive drop in the market. Whatever drop happens, I still think is dip buyable for right now. The trend is still strong, and eventually we're going to come down to the 100, but remain bullish, especially if we continue doing what we are doing. That's pretty much the same thoughts on the Qs, right? We had a nice hammer, higher high today. IWM, which is the Russell 2000. Hammer yesterday, inside candle today. Still a great candidate for an iron condor. And all of you know about those because we teach those for free at reallifetrading.com. And here is the Dow Jones ETF, DIA ETF. A little bit more bearish with a gap down below the close of yesterday. I'll be keeping a close eye on the Dow tomorrow and Friday just to see if we slowly peel into the 100 for August. Generally, August, September, October, a little bit weaker stocks in the market on a broader perspective. Okay, here are the stocks that we will review today. Ethereum, strong, very nice, looking good, double bottom, close above the 100, retest, bounce, looking glorious. These two are my targets, 3195 and 4062.34. I will sell some here and the rest here and then buy again on a dip. Buy low, sell high. Ethereum looking delish McGish. Love the moving averages. Love this compression. Love the trend. Momo is bullish on the daily and it has been for a few days now. And it's also still bullish on a weekly chart. All right. Beyond the Meat. Had a request for this one, and Beyond the Meat, very sideways. We had a particular trader do a put sale kind of down in this general range. I think that's probably the best case scenario for Beyond Meat in the sense of a strategy. It's very sideways. I mean, it looks like a Beyond Meat patty, realistically. Same exact price it was in June of 2019. So, yeah. We'll see what happens on earnings. It will gap in one direction or another. Usually Beyond Meat is pretty volatile. So if you want to own some shares, a put sale could be a buy low, sell high opportunity. But yeah, this one probably going to be boring for a while. If you are an advanced options strategist and trader, you could do a straddle or strangle over earnings since we are so sideways, just in case we get a great gap on earnings like we did on EXPI. Holy Moses. This is a beautiful gap and go. I didn't day trade this one because you already know I'm in a swing trade slash slightly longer term trade on this one. I shared that video just recently. Here's the 3-minute chart on EXPI, and you could have easily day traded this one from 43 into like 46 or 47. Great opportunity for sure, in my opinion, but this is a very strong gap. So my traders with smaller accounts, or just my traders in general who like making money, great gap, good earnings, good volume, good everything. Buy pullbacks on this one over the next 2 or 3 days, probably into like 44, 43 maybe. And be bullish on this. I'm going to be putting some shares into EXPI. Looking strong. All right, Tesla. This was one of our winning day trades today. I'll show you the trade setup. Right now, if I just hide everything else, it's still pretty cute. I mean, it closed up. We did make a higher high and a higher low. I don't hate that. Moving averages are still bullish. If we pull up the moving averages, really pretty there. Here was the trade that I took, and this is a really easy trade to see. So there's the hammer right there, and you guys pretty much all know how we played it from there. Gorgeous hammer, perfect little double bottom right there, and just a quick little boom pow type of trade. We got triggered in right there, and then bang, hit our target, and that was it. That was 1.3 Rs. Could have sold a little bit higher, but I've been told a few times that you never, ever sell the exact top, so don't try, don't worry, don't stress about it. Your goal as a trader is to make some money. So I love how these moving averages are catching up. I'll be looking at continuing to hold my long position on Tesla. I'm in shares, put sales, bull put spreads, bull call spreads, call options. If we can make money when it goes up on Tesla, I am in it. Traeger, aka Cook, this is an official swing trade that we set up, and we barely missed the entry by about 30 cents on the low of the day. This is painful. That miss right there is really tough. We set this up yesterday, but phenomenal hammer, nice little looking trend. We did break out of a upper shadow 2-3 days ago. We have a few traders who are in this one. So if it breaks higher tomorrow, just keep it cooking. It looks good. Speaking of looking good in the neighborhood, Robinhood. A few traders making some cataclysmically game-changing money on this particular IPO. Look at this breakout in this volume right here. Tons and tons of sellers, people getting FOMO, boom, closing above that candle. That's your signal to either get in, play it, or do something bullish. But yeah, very, very nice run up on Robinhood today. Robert Falco and I mean, honestly, like 9 or 10 other traders were capturing some serious moves on Robinhood. Craig Levine, who you all know as well, he captured about a $12,000 win off of 3,000 shares in this little move right in there. Beautiful, beautiful move on Robinhood intraday. Great job, Craig Levine. Yates Craig played a great day trade on Robinhood today. We did well playing Robinhood. In fact, we also sold some puts. Tony Pollock made about $700 selling the $35 August puts for $1.35 when Robinhood was at like 76. Crazy town. So essentially, I'll expect a little bit of a compression, but this could be some type of weird wave 3 where Robinhood goes higher. We actually experienced 2 halts today on Robinhood. But yeah, trend looks good. Buy the dip. Looking nice. CVGI Commercial Vehicle Group. This was requested. And potential double bottom. It needs to close above 950. So if you're looking at playing Commercial Vehicle Group, wait for that close above 950 before you're going to get in. Overall, pretty sideways, pretty choppy, kind of an ugly stock. I wouldn't do much with it personally. And then Roblox had a big day today, up 5.5%. Really good looking candle. Yes, earnings are just 2 or 3 weeks away, but this is exactly what I was asking for back on July 27th. So from here, buy the dip off of the 100 if you are looking at playing it. Roblox, a pretty fun stock. My boy Scott McKay is in some shares and sold an August $100 covered call and got himself $1 for that. Very, very smart move in my opinion, because Roblox, I think we all know, will eventually go higher. It's going to just take some time, but it's up 20. That'll be a 23% gain on his large position size. 2 hammers back to back, close above the 100, a little bit of a double bottom, buy the dip. Looking nice. Potential breakout. Old resistance. New support. I dig it on Roblox. Team, that is your Wednesday Real Life Stock Review. Thanks so much for watching. You rock. And I'll see you on Friday for a trade review. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.